Hello. Unoptimized web servers easily crash the moment production traffic spikes beyond normal baseline levels. Today, we are deploying a high-performance JMeter workspace to stress test your APIs and simulate massive concurrent user loads for zero cost. Let's stress the system. Head down to the description panel and download the core JMeter distribution package directly from our website. Launching this initial script maps out your file trees and extracts the Java-based runtime structures into place. Now fire up the JMeter graphical dashboard to see the blank testing tree canvas take shape. Allow the visual environment to initialize completely to ensure all element managers and chart samplers load with zero lag. Your advanced JMeter performance testing station is fully operational, configured, and ready to benchmark any backend. Head over to our website right now to claim your installation package and start analyzing traffic like a boss.